Hello, welcome to my personal bilingual language class. I'm Miss Fatima and I'm gonna be your English teacher, okay? So don't hesitate to join with our class. See ya!
Good afternoon kids. Kalau Miss bilang good afternoon kids, good afternoon Miss ya. Coba good afternoon kids.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, that's great. Good afternoon Miss. Good, good. Coba good afternoon. That's good, great. Sekarang dua-duanya ya, kompak ya. Good afternoon kids. Okay, great. Well, as usual, before we start our lesson, seperti biasa, sebelum kita memulai pelajaran, let's pray together. Kita berdoa dulu ya. Kalau Miss bilang pray please, artinya berdoa. Mulai ya. Oh, masih nulis. Would you please stop first? Ya, nanti dulu nulisnya ya. Kita berdoa dulu, oke? Oke. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray please. Berdoa mulai. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Learn about the alphabet, yeah? Do you know the alphabet? Yeah, the alphabet is the name of letter. Okay? Nah, okay. Yeah, these are the letter of the alphabets. Ya, ini semua adalah huruf dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay? Today we're going to learn about how to say the name of the letter. Hari ini kita akan belajar bagaimana mengeja namanya, nama letter dari bahasa Inggris ini, dan juga how to sound it. Bagaimana cara membunyikan letter A, ya. You repeat after me. Repeat after me maksudnya ulangin sesudah saya, oke? Okay? You got it? Paham? I got it, may say. I got it. Coba. Okay. I got it, miss. Oh, great. Yeah. Well, letter A.
Letter A.
Okay. Letter A. It sounds ah. Ah. Okay. Ah for apple.
Apple.
Okay. Apple.
Apple.
Okay. Apple.
Apple.
Good. Yeah. Great. Now letter B. Letter B.
Letter B.
Okay. The sounds of letter B.
Now we're going to learn about how to sing the alphabet's name ya. Nama dari huruf-huruf di alphabets ya. Okay. Now repeat after me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay, that's great ya. Now what is your name? Sorry, Miss lupa. What is your name? Namanya siapa?
Mama Fayyadh. Fayyadh.
Fayyadh. Okay, now Fayyadh, please sing ABC song, okay? From A.
A B C D E F G
H
H I J
J
J
K
L M N O
P
Q R S T U V W X Y and
Z.
Z.
Now I know. Now I know. Coba. Now I know
Now I know
my ABC.
my ABC. C.
Next time,
Next time,
won't you
want you
sing with me?
sing with me?
Okay, that's great. Now, your brother. Next. A.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H.
H,
I.
H, I,
J. K.
H, I, J, K,
L. M. N. O. P.
L, M, N, O, P,
Q.
Q,
R.
R,
S.
S,
T.
T,
U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Now I know. Coba.
Now I know
My ABC.
my ABC.
Next time,
Next time,
won't you
want you
sing with me? Okay, great work, both of you. Really, really great. Yeah. The sounds of letter A is A for apple.
forever.
Okay. Letter A
Letter A
is
is
A
A
for apple.
for apple.
Okay. Letter A
Letter A
is A
is A
for apple.
for apple.
That's good. Now letter B, okay? Letter B. The sounds of letter B.
The sound of letter B.
B,
B,
B
B
for a ball.
for a ball.
Yeah. B, B, ball.
B, B, ball.
B, B, baby.
B, B, baby.
Okay. B, B, ball.
B, B, ball.
B, B, baby.
B, B, baby.
Oke. Apalagi ya contohnya selain ball, baby, from B, 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 bicycle ya. Bicycle. Coba. B, B, bicycle.
B, B, bicycle.
B, B, bicycle. What bicycle is? Do you know? Bicycle is sepeda. Okay? Can you ride a bicycle? Bisa main sepeda? Okay, that's good. Now we're going to sound letter C. Okay? Letter C. The sounds of letter C is k. Coba. Cat.
Cat.
Okay. Cat.
Cat.
Okay. Car.
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 Okay, what else? Cat, car, carrot.
Carrot.
That's good. Carrots.
Carrot.
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 Repeat again, please. Carrot.
Carrot.
That's good. Okay. Letter D. The sounds of letter D is D. Yeah. D. Doll.
The doll.
Okay. Now you please.
The doll.
Okay.
The doll.
Okay.
Well, great work for you both, Fayyadh and Zhafran. You did it well. Okay, that's all our lesson today about the sounds of the alphabets. Okay? Thanks so much for watching and see you on my next lessons. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.